Let's get into the XRP talk for today as we've recorded the highest active perpetual futures contracts in a 3-month period. So I'm going to break that all down for you guys in this video. Let's dive into the XRP chart. I'll give you guys my thoughts as the ever so important date where we look to get out of this darn courtroom, courthouse, whatever you want to call it, and into trading crypto. We need to get back to that. That's kind of where I'm at. I think that's the biggest thing moving forward. And in a time period where, quite frankly, the rest of the crypto market is basically falling, it's lagging, all right, XRP is shining. And that's what we're going to break down. And then we'll get into these perpetual futures kind of just absolutely shining bright, shining really nicely here when we look at XRP. We talk XRP, and that's what we're going to get into. So let's hit it. Let's talk about it. And this is the chart on the day. 64 cents, absolutely parabolic run, bouncing up from these levels right here. And, 40 cents, 41 cents. And it's funny because I talk to people that ask me, is XRP done? Is it falling? Is it over? Should I sell my XRP? What's going to go on with XRP? And this isn't just people on YouTube, but it's also people in my everyday life. But that's basically what it comes down to. It's not if you bought XRP anywhere in these blue bands, or even if you were an early on investor, and hell, if you bought it down here, congratulations. But this is where I've showed you guys over the last 2 years, you can see this blue line. We've been on a slow and steady ascension, okay? And now hitting 64 cents, you got to keep in mind, this has all been done since we've been in the courthouse. XRP has never had a bull run of 2021, okay? And they really haven't had their time. But when you buy XRP, you want to own XRP. If you're doing that to swing trade, you're doing that to make a quick buck, you're in the wrong sport. XRP is a different type of crypto, in my opinion. They're one where you believe in what they can bring to the table from utility standpoint, from like real world adoption and actually using the crypto. They're looking to solve a lot of problems globally. It's different than, say, your mom and pop meme coin out there that, you want to get 20%, scalp it, and then boom, move on to the next one. It's a whole different strategy, at least for me. But in my financial, crypto, I guess you would say, interests, XRP is the best way to describe it as it's in its own category for a reason. And this is why they've been kind of suppressed, is because they're not going to trade alongside Bitcoin, right? They're not going to trade alongside some of the other movers that we have from overall steam. They're going to trade from what's been going on behind the scenes within all the discussions with the SEC, what Ripple's doing behind the scenes, okay? And when that gets out, that's when we see all these moves, all right? But we did flash momentum up on at the 42 cents level back in the early part of July. And then since then, we've continued this really, really nice ascension. And boy, does this chart look good if you look at it in the short term. That is a very bullish level. We've crossed over, so it would not shock me if we did retreat a little bit. But XRP is still climbing. So we're going to continue to monitor it. As always, guys, please remember, not financial advice. But if you do any leverage trading, this is something where I want to talk about today's channel sponsor. Use my link down below. You can sign up with Margex. $10,000 in bonuses you can claim. There's no KYC, so make sure Margex is right for you in your area. But you do want to sign up because you have to check out the copy trading feature within the leaderboard. It's one of the best selling points. A lot of people have been making extreme gains. I get to see some of the numbers a little bit from a who's doing well on the leaderboard, and not any way to know if they're part of my channel, but there are people out there that I know that are making extreme gains just using that copy trading feature. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, make sure it's right for you and your financial goals. Don't take this as financial advice, and check out Margex for yourself. And if it's right for you, get started trading today. Okay. But the biggest thing is, as we move forward, is the demand for XRP is continuing to rise. All right. The active futures contracts have increased, despite seeing the broader crypto market kind of retreat. But that's what's kept XRP doing well and above 60 cents. So now we're seeing, 65. We've dropped a little bit. We're still up on the day, but we're at 63.9. And this active futures have hit 1.5 billion XRP. That is a jaw-dropping number, as you can read right here in the article, as the demand is kind of increasing. Funding rates are entering positive territory. That's something where we've been up 53.2% in the last 24 hours. It's just absolutely crazy within some of the derivatives trading volume that we've seen on Binance, BitGet, and Bybit. All these numbers are super bullish, and that's kind of why I think we're defying the rest of the market. But with everything that we have positive going for XRP, if you've been trading like, the last 2 years, that whenever there's something positive come out, it's like you get excited, and then all of a sudden the chart just drops. Okay, so I think this is maybe a possible bet on the courtroom. Right, we're nearing that decision, that settlement possibly. What goes on with that? That's going to be very interesting. But these are probably just big bets on what's going to happen, right? So if we do get bullish news, I expect it to run, and then I obviously expect people to take profits, and then we start the trading game, right? People are going to get in, they're going to get out, and then rinse, wash, and repeat. It's a very easy cycle, all right, especially when you're in the in. And within crypto, unfortunately, you do have that kind of, if you are a whale and you can trade on these news headlines, it's just kind of, where we're at today. And XRP, for the most part, has been fairly easy to do so. But they have continued its run. XRP is doing very well in the charts. So I wanted to make this video to kind of illustrate to you guys my thoughts and give you guys kind of my insight. And hopefully you found some value. If you did, make sure you guys subscribe. We do talk XRP basically every single day on the channel, as well as all your favorite cryptos. So that's what I got. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.